Good morning, everybody. So I've had a few people complaining about me riding in the Hatchings as though it's illegal and not allowed. These are Hatchings with a broken surround. So I'm afraid the answer is yes, I absolutely am allowed to. It's commonly known as the motorcycle lane. And I already knew it was the case, but I confirmed with three separate specific traffic police officers from three different police forces, and all of them confirmed that yes, this kind of overtaking is absolutely fine. Anyway, now onto this blue VW you see ahead of me. That's the phone in his hand, it has a lit up screen. AJ07URL.
Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.